work in the forest. Not really.
I had some just before I finished work. I did a bit of work with Australia. I'm a bit of astronomy. It's a different world, but you see things in the south that you can't see in the north. So you see, you know Orion, the hunter? Yeah. Absolutely. But there's also no guarantees. Yeah. Yeah. And it is critical. It is critical. I agree. But at the same time, it's not enough to trust that education will solve the problem. Yeah. Because if you look at Europe's history, we've had very good education for, at least 200 years. Yeah. And still, we had fascism, and you still get the same kind of things happening, all around the place. There's no guarantee of itself. Sure.
And if you combine education
Yeah.
at itself
Yeah.
with a special education where you educate people with a critical mind,
Maybe.
like Paulo Freire would have done.
Maybe humanity don't earn to survive.
Wow. I mean, it's interesting, in Finland, from nursery school, from kindergarten, they teach children about the dangers of the internet and the fact that, and teach them to think critically about what they see on the internet.
There was a
that's
man called
fantastic.
Paulo Freire. I don't know whether you heard of
Who?
him. Paulo Freire. He was a Brazilian
Okay.
educator
Yeah.
and I don't know how to say that in English.
No, don't worry.
Someone who alphabetizes people. Who made big programs how to alphabetize.
To learn to read and write.
To read and write.
Yeah,
yes.
Yeah.
And he combined that idea with the education of a critical mind.
Yeah.
So he went down to the villages.
Yeah.
He sent people into the villages,
Mm-hmm.
talk to them.
Mm-hmm.
Talk to them, what is their problem over there? What
Sure.
kind of topics do they have?
Mm-hmm.
What is going on in their village? What is their topic?
Mm-hmm.
And out of that, he took the essence of the first words they learned to read and write. So he combines